Hey there, friends. This is a very, very quick video. I'm excited about NVIDIA and I just wanted to make this video for you guys. I'll keep it very, very short. I'm absolutely over the moon because I had focused on NVIDIA in my portfolio. I have NVIDIA on the US side, I have NVIDIA on the Canadian side, and also I topped up totally on FNGU day before. So I have around 120 FNGU, which was already sitting with a profit of around $4,000. So I'm absolutely pumped up because NVIDIA came up with fantastic earnings. I'm going to show you what I see here. Well, here is the chart for NVIDIA, and after hours, if you see here, you can see that it has jumped up $26.20, which is around $2.87. So initially it had gone way up, all the way up to $9.90 while I was watching it on my cell phone. And since then it has come down. There's been a lot of profit taking happening, but this has had a big effect on FNGU as well, because FNGU is up 2.11% after hours. So all that it lost during the day, it has regained. And if you were to look at SMCI has also reciprocated with a gain of $14.73. And I was very keen to see what happens to AMD. AMD has also got a bit of a lift after hours. Initially, it was much higher, so there's been a lot of profit taking by people who are dealing after hours. But at this point of time, I'm really enthused with what I see here. So tomorrow, it's going to be fantastic to look at the market. And of course, friends, as I mentioned earlier, NVIDIA has a trend of going up on the run up to earnings and then dropping down and stabilizing and then going up. So I wouldn't be surprised if I see a little bit of drop tomorrow, maybe towards the middle of the day. But all the people who can't do after hours trades are going to pile on in the morning. That's what I'm expecting. So I would expect to take some healthy profits out of FNGU and NVIDIA tomorrow. And let us hope for the best. Now, what does this mean for the overall market? I think this is a very big boost. And there are some highlights of NVIDIA that I want to share with you, the ones that I noted from the earnings. So the biggest news, which I'm very, very thrilled about, is the news of a stock split. 10:1 stock split is what they are talking about. So what happens when a stock split takes place in a share like this, which is heavily traded and which is very expensive, is that it becomes affordable to more people, the trading volumes increase, and the share has more stability and it can gain further value. So that's what I have found generally with stock splits of this nature. The other important thing is that NVIDIA reported record gross margins, and they reported an adjusted gross margin of 76.7% on a revenue of $22.1 billion. So that's absolutely amazing. NVIDIA is also hiking its dividend by 150%, which means that the new quarterly dividend will be 10 cents a share, up from 4 cents a share before. So that's another big jump. It's many orders above what it was giving as dividend earlier. And they have guided $28 billion in revenue in fiscal Q2. And they are saying that the AI bandwagon is still up and running and in full force. And overall, NVIDIA revenue surged 262% and bet the consensus revenue. I'm going to show it to you on the TradingView platform, what was expected in terms of EPS and in terms of revenue and what they came in with. So if you focus your attention on this section out here, earnings and revenue, it says that they overperformed on the earnings by 9.3%. Guys, we are talking about EPS here. 9.3% overperformance in EPS. The market was already bullish on NVIDIA and they outperformed that. So this is phenomenal. In terms of revenue, they outperformed by 5.9%, which again is a big number. So their EPS came in at $6.12 as against the estimate of 5.60. And their revenue came in at 26.04 billion as against the estimate of 24.593 billion. So that is absolutely super. There's plenty of room for the RSI to go up tomorrow when it opens up. I think we are going to see a lot of fireworks in the market tomorrow. So tomorrow, I have a lot of decisions to make. I'll watch the market in the morning, pre-market, and see how all the stocks react. And based on that, I'll decide to sell part of my FNGU and part of my NVIDIA holdings in order to book some profits and still be in the game in case there is further upside. So that's my plan for tomorrow. Please let me know if you have NVIDIA in your portfolio, and if you have FNGU in your portfolio, put it in the comment section. I'm really thrilled about the FNGU side because I fully loaded up on it, and it's this NVIDIA result is going to have really positive impact for Microsoft. It's going to have a positive impact for other components of FNGU. So overall, I think FNGU is going to give triple X performance. So I'm going to sell some FNGU for sure. At least that's what I'm thinking right now. With that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end. I'll catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.